In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel or slider to your Wix website. Adding a carousel is a fantastic way to showcase multiple images or pieces of content in a dynamic and interactive format. It can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more engaging for your visitors. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. You can think of it as the control center for designing your site. Once you've logged into your Wix account, you'll be brought to this editor. Here, you'll have access to a suite of tools and options to make your website visually appealing and functional. Next, look for the Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select Gallery. You're now on your way to incorporating a beautiful image gallery into your site. Once in the Gallery section, you will see various options. Look for the one labeled Slider Galleries and click on it. Slider galleries are specifically designed to rotate through a set of images, creating that carousel effect we're aiming for. With your slider gallery open, it's time to select a specific type of slider you want to add. Each type offers a different style and functionality, so take your time to browse through the options and choose the one that best suits your website's theme and aesthetics. After selecting your slider gallery, you'll see a placeholder image. Go ahead and click on this image. A pop-up should appear, offering you the possibility to customize the images in your gallery. Click on Change Images to start that process. You can upload new images, choose from a library of stock photos, or rearrange and curate existing images tailored to your content objectives. Now that your images are set up, it's time to organize them. Within the pop-up, you will see various options to alter the order, size, and even the duration each image appears. Take a moment here to ensure everything is aligned according to your preferences and purpose. Once you're happy with your image selection and arrangement, click Done. This saves your changes and brings you back to the main editor. Now for additional customization, click on Settings. Here you can modify the slider's behavior, such as the transition style, speed, and whether it autoplays. Take advantage of these settings to create a carousel that performs exactly how you envision it. Finally, there's an option called Highlight. Clicking on it allows you to emphasize specific features or images within the slider. This is particularly useful if certain images hold more importance or are likely to attract more visitors' attention. Use this option to your advantage to make the most impactful images stand out. So, that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added a carousel slider to your Wix website. Don't forget to preview your site and make any final adjustments to ensure it looks perfect. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.